Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads. I'm going to walk you through for the next week, March 11th through 15th, on what you should be thinking about for generating, engaging, and converting the leads that you need to for your business. So on Monday, I want to make sure that you're thinking about and that you've got the listing that you're going to market. So what is your listing of the week next week? Whether it's yours or borrowed, and that could be coming soon, just listed, active, open house, but you got to be marketing either a new listing or a new listing status, yours or borrowed. If you're doing an open house, make sure you check our mega open house training. And of course, at listingstoleads.com/250, you can get all the information about that, as well as all of the marketing that we're talking about in today's video. All of it is a subset of how to make $250,000 a year in real estate masterclass. On Tuesday, we're going to be doing a buyer PDF guide this week. We always alternate between the buyer guides and the seller guides. So this week we're going to be doing, let me see here, the ultimate guide to selling a home. So it's going to be a seller guide, the ultimate guide to selling a home. That'll be the seller guide this week. And we're going to generate between 10 to 30 leads with that on top of the 23 to 140 leads that we're going to generate and engage from our listing that we're going to market. On Wednesday, we want to make sure that we're going to market a pending or sold listing. Again, either ours, it could be a just sold listing where we're the listing or selling agent. It could be a pending listing of ours, in contract, active, contingent. All of that is the same thing here for what we're talking about. If you don't have one, the training that we have at listingstoleads.com/250 and all of our training, we can show you how to borrow a listing to market that is either pending or sold, because you want to always make sure that every week you are talking to your audience about listings going into contract, listings that are selling, just like we want to make sure that we're talking about listings that are for sale, about different guides that we have to help home buyers and home sellers. And that is why I also want to make sure we're talking about pending and sold listings, so that when people are thinking about real estate, buying, selling, information about it, that they're always thinking about us. And if we don't do these three things every single week, we're going to get lost in the shuffle. We're going to be forgotten about pretty quickly. This Thursday, we're going to go after the 100-point home marketing plan. So all the tools related to that. So for the database and social media, we'll talk about custom audiences and social media. We got social circle prospecting and database scripts for this as well. E-flyers for your database. So similar to all the other tools, we're going to hit all audiences across all platforms with this. And you should be able to get a couple of really good leads, engage a couple of great leads in your database into listing appointments, get some listings going. We do not want to forget about this. And that'll happen on Thursday, the 14th. We do that every month. And this month, it just happens to be mid-month on the 14th. And then Friday, the 15th, we're going to talk about new construction, just like we do every month. We want to make sure that not only are we on top of the new construction in our area, that we are advertising that in our local market, because here's the thing, new construction is so awesome because a lot of the new construction buyers do have listings. I think more than your average home purchase. I think the ones for new construction are a lot of times are either move up buyers. So maybe they're having their first kid or second kid and they need a new house. They don't want to deal with a bunch of issues on a house built 30, 40 years ago. So new construction is a great option for them, as well as people downsizing. So people whose kids have left the house, again, they don't want to deal with a lot of problems related to a home built 30, 40, 50 years ago, and new construction can be a great option for them. So a lot of the buyers can also have homes to sell. In addition to our training, we talk about how to get more listings from builders and developers, how to really become their marketing and sales arm using the Listings to Leads platform. And every single day, make sure you are using our short form video scripts. So we got the scripts for listings, for PDF guides. We'll have the short form video script for the 100-point home marketing plan. Want to make sure to get that out there in all the video platforms, as well as our social reviews and our local review scripts. So want to make sure the short form videos, even if you don't publish them, maybe you're nervous, you're not really into doing that yet, I still want you to record and do the videos. You don't have to publish them, but if you record them for a few weeks, I think you'll get a lot more comfortable. And then you'll see you can start publishing them. And it doesn't take more than a couple of months. And you're going to have an audience on social media that you never thought you were going to have before. So all of this should be able to help generate between 63 and 239 leads. It's going to help us engage leads because we've got tools for the database, whether it's an email, whether we're going to get our database into a custom audience on social media, which we talk about. We got the call scripts for your database. Same thing with the farm. We got direct mail. We got the farm in a custom audience. We got call scripts for your farm. Everywhere, every audience on every platform you can think of, we are going to hit them multiple times throughout the month. So if you have any questions on any of our training this month, first, go to listingstoleads.com/250. Second, comment under this video in the mastermind group. Or third, get with our support team. Or fourth, go to leadgenwebinars.com, sign up for our free training, a lot of free training every week that you can get onto. And you can also go to youtube.com/listings-to-leads. Maybe check our daily checklist playlist. We've also got other playlists for other things as well there also. So with that, if you have any questions, let me know, and we'll talk to you soon.